Props to me for actually wearing the clothes that I bought. Then it just falls to the side. It's finally here. Went to Bath and Body Works the other day because it was a candle day sale. Hey, what's up everybody, Nika here and welcome to another vlog. So I decided to start today on Sunday because I have the next 2 days off planned for today. I think we're gonna go to like a cookie pop-up that's in Lower East Side and then just kind of walk around in that area. We just kind of wanted to get out the house. We're gonna start getting ready soon because now it starts getting dark at like 4, so we don't really have that much time. Went to Bath and Body Works the other day because it was the candle day sale, so I stocked up. Only got 5, but I guess I'll go ahead and show you what I got. So this year it came with this very cute reusable bag. I got some fan favorites and then I got like 2 new ones. They didn't have like the classics for fall, so I had to improvise. So the first one I got is Fall Festival. So this, God, something like I've smelled before. It's fresh pumpkin, spiced cinnamon, sweet maple almond butter. I normally don't like sweet scents because it gives me a headache after a while, but this is doable. The next one, this one is classic. This is white gardenia. It's a very fresh scent. Smells so good. This could be like an everyday type thing. Me and Tasha got the same one, so we have 2 of these for the house. So next one is Winter Cabin. This one was a new scent that I've never heard of. Now that I smell it, I don't know what it smells like. I think I was just smelling so many scents in there that I kind of just grabbed some. Winter Air, Black Pepper, Warm Amber. It's kind of like a sweet musky scent, so this is doable. I can deal with this. This one, this is Winter. This is one of the fall scents that I always get every year. It just smells like Christmas, kind of like a fireplace scent, but also fall mixed into it. I really like this. This is perfect for the holidays, so I will be burning this probably all month or until it runs out. And then I saved the best for last. This one is Mahogany Teakwood. This is my all-time favorite candle from Bath and Body Works. I just really like the musky scent of it. It is strong. I didn't get the high intensity one because that one can be a little much. It smells so good. This is my favorite. I try to keep this for as long as I can so I don't burn it too much, or at least try not to do it all day. So it is about 12:30 in the afternoon and I think the cookie pop-up starts at 1. I have no idea what I want to wear. I have an idea. In my head it looks good, but I don't know if executed it will look good. I need to try it on. Also, if you do not follow me on TikTok, I think you should because I'm trying to post more on there. I've just been doing like a plethora of stuff, honestly. It's fashion related mostly, but I'm trying to figure out like what kind of fashion related content I want to do on TikTok. So it's just kind of been a plethora of stuff. You can post longer videos on TikTok. So I did my first Black Friday haul because stuff is like slowly coming in and I thought it'd be better to just put it on TikTok instead of trying to film like a whole YouTube video. I just thought I would do it in parts on TikTok. So if you want to check that out, see what I got.
Soon after.
Still don't think my... Alright, so we just got back in from shooting our looks because every time we go to the city, we run out of time. Daylight savings kills us. We went ahead and just walked around the neighborhood and shot it. I just want to do a quick OOTD. So this top, it is from a boutique called Ootd. I got it for Black Friday. Props to me for actually wearing the clothes that I bought. And my bag, this is thrifted. I got this back in Mobile maybe like a couple years ago, but it's a nice brown structured bag. And then for my pants, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a teddy type material cargo pants. Not getting the full body, but these are the pants here, very comfy. And then, oh God, I got do this number. Do you see them? Fenty creepers. Let me stop doing that. They're the only ones that I kept after all this time. It went with the color theme, so I just decided to wear them. Throw a jacket on. We're going to this pop-up. Yeah, we need to get food. Maybe Union Square. Washington Square Park? Union Square. So,
can I do OTD? OOTD?
all right, Tasha wants to do hers.
This is like an old white turtleneck I got years ago that is a staple in my wardrobe. This corset was handmade by my friend April Eaton. She has like a corset company and she named this one after me and she gave it to me for my birthday. These pants are from Article Ann. I got them on Black Friday when they were having like a 30% off. These shoes, gotta do the Nika move. My blazers, got them from Nordstrom Rack. The hat, I actually got this for Nika for Christmas last year. I'm wearing the gift I gave her and now I'm done.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles.
We're stacked up on like 3 pillows right now because I didn't want to move from my bed. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday. I just woke up from a nap. I've been up since like 6 in the morning. So I did a couple of things around the house, like cleaned up the living room, cleaned up my room, showered, did all that stuff. Glad I got an early start because I have a friend coming in town on Wednesday. So I just want to clean up the apartment. Honestly, it might get dirty again tomorrow, but for the most part, it's clean. I just have to make sure everything stays tidy. So for yesterday, once we left the house, we went to the cookie pop-up, but they didn't have any cookies left, so we didn't stay there too long. And then we went to Empanada Mama. It was like right next door, so that was my first time going. I've heard about it. Pretty good for the price. It's cheap. After that, we went shopping. Well, Tasha went shopping, but I was just window shopping. There was this ASAP PacSun Vans collection pop-up that was happening in Soho. It looked like a food truck. I think it was Sweet Chick. We just ate, so we didn't feel like standing in line, and also it was a long line. When we came back after shopping, ASAP actually showed up and he was like signing shoes and all of that. We stood there for a minute and then we went home. Yeah, and then we watched this movie last night. It was really good. I don't remember the name of it, but it's about these gay best friends. It was a Christmas movie. I'll leave it right here, but definitely go watch it. It was on Netflix, and that was pretty much it yesterday. So for today, I don't really have that much planned. I think I'm just gonna stay in. I want to try and shoot some real content. I have some stuff in my camera roll that I need to edit, and then also a few things that I can just shoot on my vlog camera. All right, the sun is out today. It looks like a very nice day, but I'm not going anywhere. I want to show you guys this piece that I got for my tripod that allows you to turn the camera sideways. I don't like using my phone when it comes to like filming reels and TikToks just because of the quality, and since my vlog camera is smaller than my big DSLR, I feel like this wouldn't be so heavy. I know some tripods come with the pieces that turn it sideways automatically, but the one that I ordered, it just keeps it flat. I had to do like a whole concoction setting my vlog camera up. I had it on my bed, pillow behind it, and then I had like a tissue view under the lens, and then I had something else propping it up as well just so it could face sideways. So it is this piece right here. This is the part that you put on your tripod, and you kind of unscrew this area. So it's a very loose piece when you unscrew it, and then it just falls to the side. So when it's on the tripod, it'll actually be upways. I will leave that link down below. I need to go ahead and do part 2 of my Black Friday haul. There will be a part 3 on my TikTok for everything that I bought from Black Friday. So I just got done filming 2 reels, and I actually had a package come in, and I'm super excited about this one. I have been wanting this rug for so long, and he did a Black Friday sale. So it's Curves by Sean, but I think he just calls his shop Curves. He does a bunch of different designs for rugs, specifically the CD rug. I mean, if you're on social media as much as I am, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I don't want to take it out right now because I kind of want to film like a before and after of where I'm going to put it. So I'm actually going to put it in this corner here. That corner of my room will finally be complete. I've had this vision in my head for so long, so I'm so glad I finally got it. It'll add color and a nice texture to that corner because most of my room is just black and white, and oh my god, I'm so excited. It's finally here. So I think I'm about to just sit and edit these reels for a little bit. Just more cleaning my room.
Presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.